During this festival of lights, let us make this soft, melt in your mouth ghee cookies. Trust me, ghee cookies are the most underrated cookies in the world. I promised you last time when I made masala chai that I will share my ghee cookies recipe with you. So let's dive right into the video, Foodsters. So for our recipe today, we need 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and to make it extra melt in your mouth, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and then 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of milk powder, and half a cup of melted ghee. That is equal to about 100 milliliters of melted ghee. So first we'll pour the star ingredient, which is obviously ghee. Bad lighting alert. Let's change the position. Next we are adding the powdered sugar and make sure the two are well combined. You can mix it for a certain amount of time just to give it some airiness to it. Look at that luscious thick mixture. Then our milk powder, and again mix it really well. Don't get tempted to eat this mixture at this point because I am right now. Next, after combining it well, we'll add in our flour in batches. We don't want to do it all together. So remember that usually when you have water in a cookie recipe, you should never overmix it, because it will develop gluten and make your cookies tough and kind of hard to bite. But in this case there is no water at all, so we can mix all we want. It will only make our cookies softer. So we'll just keep mixing until all our flours will combine. And now I'm just changing from the spoon to my hand because it just it feels like making a dough when you do it with the hand. It's up to you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to taste the dough to see if the sugar is enough. If it's not, you can just add more. And now I'm going to roll our dough into small balls. If you make it in this size, you'll get about 16 cookies. But if you make them slightly smaller, you can make up to about 20 small cookies. So I didn't show you earlier, but this is how the dough should be. It shouldn't stick to your hands. You should be able to kind of mold it into a ball without it sticking into your hands. Now we'll bake these beautiful babies at 120 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until when you touch the top of your cookies, it won't stick to your hand. So now I want to show off the bottom of my cookies. They are just slightly golden brown. They're not burnt at all because we cooked it at 120 degrees, and like I told you, see, there's nothing sticking onto my finger because it's properly baked. So now, voila! All we've got to do is serve our ghee cookies. Again, I can't help but show off the bottom of my cookies just to show that they're not burnt. And finally, it's tasting time. Again, once, just the last time, show the bottom of the cookie and then take a bite. Oh my god, it literally melts in your mouth. This is, again, like I said earlier, the most underrated cookie ever. So please try it, especially if you haven't checked my masala chai video out. Try it with that. The combination is amazing. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bon appetit!